Alrighty, I think I am live. Let me just double check this. It says I'm live. Let me double check. Alright, let me check my sound. Can I hear myself? Let me double check that quality real quick. Oh yeah, that quality's juicy. Nice. Wait, but can I even hear myself? Doesn't sound too loud. Not sure if that's just me or if that. Alright, well, you know what? Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna say at everyone, live now, post that link. And now I'm going to say live now. I'll put an image too, why not? Okay, I don't think I can honestly hear myself, but let me check on my phone because I need to get this sound situated first. Very important. Hello, Cilantro. Can you hear me okay? I'm not sure if you can. Sounded like, for me at least, I'm only coming out of one ear. Let me see if I can do this midstream. Oh, wait, am I using this microphone? That wouldn't be good. Hold up. Is that even plugged in? Huh. Hold up. No, it says I should be using this one. Okay. Go properties. Low advanced. Can I put it on one? Apply. Did this do it? Or did I just break things? Ah, is that better? Let's see. How loud am I? Because it doesn't sound like I'm very loud. I mean, well, I guess I'm at 33. I don't know. Am I good or? You're good? Alright. I'll just boost myself a little. Just like that. Okay. Well, alright. Let's get this thing on the way. Let me turn that down a bit. Let me quiet that. And yeah. Okay. Let me close out of this. And we're using Angular for this new version of Bracketify. It should be pretty cool, in my opinion. So, I have the basic app done. I mean, it's the basic Angular thing. Let's close out all this weird stuff. And alright, so what? Oh, I need to get Trello open. I'll put that over here. Man, I checked it, it's been like 8 months since the last legitimate stream, so definitely good to get back into it. Sadly, probably won't be around tomorrow. I might be, probably will be like 10ish though, if I do stream. But yeah. Okay, so I have Adobe XD. I did design, for people who haven't seen, I did design the basic website. So I think today we're mainly going to focus on the home screen and the login screen and register screen. And maybe get some of the login and register done, but we'll see. And we aren't going to worry about this trending bit for now. We're just going to do this top header, so this bit. And we might add these, but it's not very important. And yeah. Alright, so if anyone hasn't seen this, this is what the bracket page will look like for everyone watching. This is what the moderator page looks like, not much different. This is the more info section for the moderator, and this is the more info section for just the everybody. So yeah. Let's get right into it. Starting out with this homepage. Now, I do have to get the router set up for Angular because, yeah, in my test app that proved to be a problem. So, I'm going to get it out of the way now and not worry about it. I have my previous test app open, so I'm just going to copy in this and copy in the routes. Copy in the routes and this bit. And after this, should be good. Alright. So I'll still make it go to here. It'll just be called app component. And sorry if I sound a little stuffed up. Got a bit of a something, I don't know. Trying my best here. But let's see. So now if I go here, oops, where's my thing? If I go here, it should go /home. Cool. Oops. Yeah, so now it goes to /home. Always good that it's working. So what do we need to do first? So we need, of course, yeah, that's true. Let's get this done first. And let me double check my file structure, because it's been a bit. So yeah, so I like to put my navigation footer in a folder called modules, and then I import it into each page. That way I only have to make one, and it turns out a lot better in my opinion. So let's call this navbar dot just navbar, and we'll copy in this into here, rename it nav, and another nav. Cool. So instead of this, I also have brought in whatchamacallit for simplicity, Bootstrap. So I'm going to use a Bootstrap navbar, which I always forget how to use, but it's worth it in the end, you know. I want to be this right aligned one. I'll obviously customize the colors a bit. This one we're gonna have to do Bracketify 2. We're also gonna have to import the new font. That's the word. Does this have a thing? No. And we'll make this nothing for now. Let's have a home button. And let's get rid of this whole active class. Alright, but here we'll say register login. Cool. Now, because it's Angular, we need to say navbar nav, and get rid of that. Expert class, this is nav component. And cool. So now if we go to module.ts, gotta import this from ./modules/navbar/nav.component. And it works. Look at that. How fancy. Now we need to declare it. So many steps, man. And there we have it. So now in here we should be able to say navbar, and it might show up, might not. There we go. It shows up enough. It's because they did that custom coloring. So let's do that next. Navbar custom. Open up this dot, and now if we go into our design, let's grab this color. I only used, I think, 2 or 3 colors for this entire site, so that's a plus. And if any of you are wondering why I am doing it in Angular instead of something else, it's because I need it for work. Need to know how to use it properly. So yeah, I need to try in Product Sans, because Product Sans is now one of my favorite. Okay, maybe if I can spell product sans. What? Where'd my Product Sans go? Okay, fine. Let me come in here. Now let me go. Assets, fonts. Let me copy this fonts file. And now if I go assets and paste, and there we have it. Let me see, does this show up in Streamlabs, the chat? It doesn't, that's interesting. Alright. Cool. So if we do that, it should be a bit prettier. Yeah. Let's see. Now, we need to go back over to here. Go to whichever styles.css it is. This one. Copy this. Go into here. Go into here. Go boop. Go boop. And chill like that. Maybe, if we're lucky. Yeah, there we have it. Look at that. Look how pretty that font is. Let me remove this color weight for now. And there we have it. Nice, fancy, googly font. So now, navbar, custom. Thinking of using the Bracketify logo there instead of text actually. So let me drag that in. Bring this over here. Bracketify 2, copy, and why can't? Okay, come on. And assets, paste, logo. There we go. Okay. I think we have to do something else. I don't think you can just go like this, but I'm gonna try. No, you definitely can't just go like that. That's way too easy. Where did I use an image? I used an image here. You guys get to see the super secret new rotg.com code. How lucky. Did I use it on? No, I used it in videos. Alright, guess it is just normal HTML. Let me remove this for now. Let me just ditch it. And now have, instead of here, we're gonna say image source equals, that's a slash dot slash dot slash assets logo.png. And like magic, it's way too large. Who would have thunk? Height, well, we can't do it like that. Hey, look at that. Welcome, Cocos. How you doing, my dude? Okay, now it's not usual. It's a little weird. So why would I set the width? Is it just removing the entire thing? Oh, because it's the same exact color. But how's it work here? Oh, I used the inverse. You set the wrong list. Oh, did I actually? Oof, that's rough. Alright. Yeah. Is it inverse? Yeah, it is. So nice looking logo. Don't know why I called it inverse, but you know what? I did. What you gonna do about it? How's delay? It should be next to nothing. And it doesn't seem to really be any super big delay. Here. Logo white.png. Gotta figure out a better way than alt-tabbing to do this. But for now, it's fine. Yeah, so now you can at least see it. Yeah, you can't just put 100% in height. Oh, okay, apparently you can. That's why you put it in full screen, or you do the little thing that does it to make it theater mode. Theater mode is always an option, my dude. Just pa-chow. See how fancy it is? Also, gotta make sure you use that 1080p mode. And also on the new rotg.com, it's gonna have a super fancy live stream viewer. So like, get hype. That looks close enough. let me do this. Let me set the A colors, Lee colors. .nav bar custom. Is the Trello public? Oh, I don't think so. I'll make it public soon. Why not right now? Screw it. Got nothing else to do. Is this public? Oh, it is public. Okay. Let me just set that to the Trello link. Good enough. Trello. Okay, Bracketify Trello. Alrighty. I'll put that in description right now. Bam. It's descriptionized. Oops, that's way too far down. There we have it. Okay. An error has. Okay. It's saving. It says it's saved. Who knows? Let's do it the secondary color. Well, I don't really want it to be a hover actually. Let's just make sure nothing's there. Okay, is it the A? I always forget when doing these things which thing to call. Okay, that's better. I'll also put it in chat in case you guys can't see that in the description yet, because I know YouTube is quite the pain. So there we have it. Half of it already done. Now let's use a custom jumbotron. Div class equals a jumbotron, and then we'll say h1. What's my slogan for this again? Create, customize, share. Create, customize, share. Think clean. Look at how fancy. Now we're gonna say another class is going to be Bracketify header. I know, right? It's pretty nice. So now in the app dot css, we're gonna say dot header background color. Jump into here. Dude, I spent hours on this thing. No kidding. I mean, it's kind of good. It's better than what I better than what I usually do. Still not great though. Alrighty. Color white. Oof. Create, customize, share. Margin top 0. Alright. Nav.css. Margin bottom 0. That's the one that did it. Look at that. Look how fancy. That is Product Sans, my dude. Oh god, I hate this music. Hold on, I gotta find some new copyright-free music. Okay, trusting this link. Let's hope it's good. Yeah, that's because it is. So yeah, let's do H2. Because I'm lazy, I'm not gonna type that again. Already done it once. Dude, looks so good. Golly. Not much better, but you know what? Oh well. Okay, now let me make this div class equals button container. Oh, I need to put this all. Wait a minute. Where do I do this again? Oh, it's somewhere. It's coming back to me. I think it's an index. Where's index? Index. Yeah, it is. Okay, div class equals container fluid. Gotta keep up with my bootstrap standards. Well, that's not very helpful. Just put it into a container. I don't need it to be fluid. Well, okay, that's even worse. No container for you. what he used to design the website initially. I used Adobe XD. It's a pretty cool program. It's easier than Photoshop, so yeah, I'm lazy. Let's see here. For this, I think what I can do, if I put this into a row, right, and if I create a sub row, div class equals, can I put a row inside of a row? So we're gonna find out div class equals sum4. Let's do that 3 times. Test and test. Let's see what happens. Okay, that's a bit too far. But if I do this, div class equals sum4. Oops. Okay. Now if I move this into this, and then I do div class, well, let's just copy. Oop. Gotta create a new row. Shoot. Div class equals. You know what though? I'm not gonna put it in here. I'm gonna be fancy. If I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it. Go hard or go home. That's definitely not what I live by. Alright, of course, now I gotta fix this. Cool. So now if I go div class equals row again, say call oops, div class equals call let's see, so I want it to be here and here, so that's probably gonna be 5, 6, well 6 wouldn't work, shoot. Well, let's try it with 4 and see what happens. Oh, no, 3. Granted, might be overcomplicating this. Oh well. Button, click. Okay, that actually might work. Let's see where the other one is. This one, okay, that's good enough for me, man. Class equals fancy button. Cause screw Bootstrap standards. Fancy button. What's them colors again? I know I copied them, but I didn't. Background. Color. No, not clip. Color. What's that now? Text align center, of course. Color. White. Bam. Automatically fancy. I'd like there to be one gap, so let's see, that would be making this 2, okay, well, so that's 5, okay, so I need another 2 in between. My horrible math skills. Ugh. Create, explore, alright, width 100%, yeah, that's about good. Padding, order 0, just 0, there we go. Order radius, I think it was 10 pixels. Padding 10. Font size 16 point. It's not too shabby, I must say. What happens if I do 4? Let's see, that would be 6 and 6. Yeah, let's see. Oof, I like that a bit better, honestly. And you know, that's pretty much like this. Not bad. It's actually very close. Okay. Now, I need to do one of them fancy spanchi. A bit taller. Yeah, I probably should. I think I'll make the text size a bit bigger. Where do I have it in here, actually? 39? Oof, that's not right. 25 point. Actually, that's not bad. Oh, that's true. Wait, bulb. Cool. I think I had a break. That looks a bit better, in my opinion. That's not even close. There we go. Should still be all mobily. Okay, the mobile definitely needs some work. We'll get to that later. Let me add that search bar. So, now, that's what. Also, this product stands valid to be used by people or whatever. Their copyright. I got it for free, so hoping for the best there, bud. Just don't snitch. Search. This is an Angular thing, so don't yell at me too late just yet. Placeholder equals search. And I broke things. Maybe it's not. Oh, network to have end input. Boy, excuse me. Oh wait, yeah, I'm stupid. Yeah, good job, man. Fancy search. Pixels. Font size 16. Let's do 18 point. Why not? Is there anything else? Yeah. Border. 0. Border. Radius 10. Yay! Thank you. Alright, now if anything happens, it's all your fault. Nah, I'm just kidding. There we go. That actually doesn't look too different from the design. Like, in all honesty, this will be a bit less bulky, but then yeah. Dude, it's super fancy. Truth. Oh, that's too much. Alright, good enough for me. I need to change that color. Color black. Nice. Alrighty. Now. Yeah. Maybe darker. Yeah. Maybe I just stick with fancy colors. Oh, I don't know about that. What are you guys' opinions about this color? A little bit darker blue? Okay. Well, let's just kind of poop it. That's not too bad, actually. Yeah, I think I'll just stick with that for now. I can change it later when I actually want to add that functionality. The same color as the background. I had it like that. Alright, yeah. I think it'll be fine like that. As for this, I don't know if I'll do any of this right now. Trending stuff is definitely going to come later anyways, so I think for now I'm just going to keep it like this. I'll add some more stuff down here later. Why is it scroll? No. I'm so close. Overflow X. None or hidden? Hidden. Yeah, I could. Border radius. That's better. Yeah. I guess I'll make the footer real quick. Copy the nav bar, paste the nav bar, and call it footer. 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 And lastly, could you guess it? Footer. Yeah, probably. Except to do @copy, because it's, you know, gotta be fancy. Footer. Footer. I gotta call the footer. Should I put these down some? Capitalized, don't you? I'll do copyright content vistos because it just seems better. Footer component. And alrighty, let's see what it looks like. Shall we? Oh wait, I'm dumb. Why did I put the nav bar in here? That's what I was missing. I knew I was doing something wrong. This is supposed to go in index. That way it loads on every single page. Nav bar and then footer will show on every page. In theory, at least. Come on, don't embarrass me now. Isn't this what I did on the other one? Got that mad stuffy nose thing going on, so yeah, always fun. What? I could have sworn. Where did I put it? Oh, I did something really weird for this one, didn't I? Yeah. Okay. Well, you know. Forgot about this whole bit. Shoot. How does this work again? In all honesty, I have no clue. Have to add this to exports though. Alrighty, we'll see you in a bit. Yeah. Okay, so this is the case. So why is it going in there though? Oh, because I'm sending it to app component. Is app component? Wait, this is the wrong thing. No, I'm already in here. Okay. This is a little bit confusing. Where's router outlet being called from though? Like home TS. Didn't think this was putting anything out there. Cause it's not. App component, nope. Spec, nope, that's a test file. Module? No. Okay, well, you know what? That's okay. I'm just gonna do it as I have it in here and hope for the best. Going to create pages, then home. And now I'm gonna copy all of this and paste it in here. remove this, because who tests anything? Too easy. Home, home, and home. And now I go to the TS, I call this home. Oh, wait a minute, is that where it's coming from? It's in here. It's router outlet, so let's see. Home to TS. Nope, okay. So in that case, yeah. Title is Bracketify home. And this is now home component. So now module TS. Page slash Kidoki. Now let's see. Home component, but in here, trusting my code, probably a little too much. Copy this and paste this into here. Does it work? Does it not? No, it doesn't. Not shocking. I have no clue. But you know what I can do? Angular router outlet. What is this? How do you even? See, now I have no clue how this worked. Router outlet. But so what? But it's not being called in this one, is it? Like app component. Only place it's being called is there, and there. So see, mildly confusing. But wait, shouldn't it at least be showing something? Because wait. So yeah, it's still going to home component, which should be there. The app component, still called app root, yeah. I wonder. Oh, I didn't call home component, that's why. Please work. Yay! Awesome. That was a bit of work for not much. Now that we can get back to it, on the, oh wait, that's not working here. That's not working here either. Home components, yes. Close out of anything and everything we don't need. That could still be used. Not really, not really. So home HTML. No, it's in foot. Well, not row, margin bottom 0. What type of fanciness does this do? Okay. So since that does nothing, let's delete it. Footer. Margin top 0. Oh wait, it's under the jumbo. Yeah, wait. Is this in the, yeah, okay. Margin, bottom, 0. There we go. Cool. Now, gotta make sure that this is fixed to the bottom, but not actually fixed, just on the bottom of the page, which will be a whole thing of itself. Let's first off replace the component with something a bit better, just by saying AP and copy and FizzDost on, wow, not 3018, 2018 center. And how bad does that look, I wonder? That's not terrible, it's pretty bad. How do I get it to be fancy like the rest of us? How do you feel about that? Let's see. Bootstrap's reaction. Why? Why? You know what I do when things get difficult? I just cheat them. Text center. Where equals, what's the color? This color, why not? It's not gonna be the right color, calling it now. It's gonna be invisible. Nope, doesn't even show up. Oops. Style equals dupe. Color. Yeah, that's pretty much impossible. Let's see. White. And good enough for me. Position. Absolute bottom 0. Width 100%. Look at that. Look how fancy this is. Cool. So, like my plan, I'm going to go do the register button first, which means I need to create a new page. Login. Okay, now let's just close out of these things for now. Let's make sure to call that. Login component. Login, and login component. So now I need to go here to module TS, make sure, put that there. Oh, welcome back, Slodro. We're making decent-ish leeway. Login, comma component. We got the entire homepage done enough. I mean, it looks very similar to the design. So this is the design, and this is the website. It's pretty good, I think. So yeah, now we're working on the register page and login. But yeah, so if we go /login, let's just make sure this works. Login, cool, you work. Login. Let me just do this real quick. Login page. Thanks. Okay, so I think we should be able to do normal links, I hope. And let's go to /login, and no, did that really not work? Oh, because I did the wrong one. No. So this one goes slash home. This is slash login. Hey, so fancy. And this one should just go here. Nice. Login page. Alrighty, so the login page, the fancy one. Oof, this is gonna be interesting. I've always hated doing this center page thing. It's always been the biggest pain for me, but you know what? I'm gonna do it. So, yeah. Just gotta work myself up to actually be able to do it. Div class equals row. I think we're just gonna have an empty row here. Might work, probably won't. We'll see. Thanks. You're pretty good. Don't put yourself down too hard. Div class equals cool. SM2. Let's see now. Let's see. 4 plus 4 is 8. 2 plus 2. Yeah, cool. That should work. 4. So that's 8. 2 and 2. That makes 12, I think. Okay, so let's see where the positions of these are. You know, to be completely honest with you, I haven't done much either. But you know, when time calls, time calls. Yeah, that means these have to be 3s now. Phooey. So, for one, let's do H2 login, and this will be H2 register. I keep looking at this now, I'm very confused how it keeps auto doing itself. Text center, and text center. The nice part about doing these extra columns here is if I ever want to put ads here, it's going to be very easy. Probably won't, but you know, just in case. Let's go login CSS. Let's call this login thing. Well, I don't have a job that requires me to do web development. Yeah, that's true. Honestly, I'm surprised I do, but yeah. You know, I won't reject a good offer. Login page. Login component. Bam, look at me using fancy words. Background. Color. I really wish you could have some sort of variables in this, but oh well. This should be the darker color. Login register. Is that the darker color? I don't think it is. It's one of these. It's darker. That's the color. Alright. Now login. Component H2 font weight bold. Alright. Now we need to add that little fancy divider. Login divider. Border left. 1px solid cyan for now. Border right. What am I thinking? Yeesh. I have had a Minecraft server offer me jobs when I was 13 and can't handle that much stress. So I was going to public school for the first time next year. Yeah, I get what you mean. This year was my first year of public school, and man was it fun. I'm just hoping that, well, I mean, and with this job, he says if I want to, I can probably continue it over the school year. Not sure if I will yet, though, just because of, like, stress of school and stuff. But, yeah, we'll see. How am I going to do this? So first, we need to get all the buttons down. Or all of the links, sorry. Input, hashtag, new username. No, just username. place holder equals username. Password. And that's good enough for me for now. And for here, we're gonna say new username, new password, and email. New email, and that should be super. Oh, look at that! That's so beautiful, man. That's like the best thing ever. Login component input and npx. All right, margin 5px. Border epx solid. Nice. Border radius 10px. Alright, going good so far, I'd say. Let's see here. I think if we do less padding, but a bigger font size would be better. That's not like, oh, right. Let me put left, because I know the register one will always be larger. I'm going to put the divider onto this one. Yeah, that's better. Choose the size of this, maybe 2 px. Yeah, I like that better. Now, I need to do the button. I think this one, let me double check. Angular. Come on. Button click. Let me see how you get the button click if you use the hashtags like normal. Nope, okay. Button click equals that. Register. I think it might have just been T for both, but I'm not gonna be lazy. Log in. Oh, because of this. Oh, that's even worse. It's getting there. Login component button. Font size 16 point. Text align center. Adding 10px. Background color. Border 0. Border radius 10px. Alright, you know, honestly almost there. Color white. Almost got on the first try. Just forgot a few things. Would have been too easy, man. Way too easy. I need to reduce those sizes just a wee bit. I think, right? Yeah, I feel like I should. Well, what do you think? Do you think they're too large, or do you think they're okay? I'm not sure. I think I should add a bit more padding, margin in between them. Margin bottom 10px maybe. They're too large, yeah. Yeah. Much too large. Why is the button offset? That's weird. Okay. Let me make them 50%. Well, that would be a little weird. Okay, that looks good enough. Alright. Hey there, Kai. How you doing, bud? Alright, that actually matches it quite well. Let me change this to H1. I think it'll look a bit better. Oof, why are you sunburnt? Weren't you like inside all day? Alright, so now then, the part that I haven't been wanting to do, gotta center it. Thing that I absolutely suck at doing. Center vertically a div. I think it uses margin 0 auto, but I've never gotten it to work really. Well, let's see what happens. Now the class went to the pool. So I was kind of lifeguarding, kind of playing with them, and kind of just sitting around. Cilantro, it's so much fun centering. It's just the blast. It's the best thing to do in web development. That really does suck though, Kai. I feels bad, man. For $5 an hour, that's not worth it. Don't know how it's legal either, honestly. Oh, I don't want to do this. Like, yeah, minimum wage. You ain't even making minimum wage, my dude. Vertical align, is that a thing? Is that a thing? I swear, if this is a thing. Okay. Let's do this. Let's do it like it says to do. Hope for the best. Is there an outer shell for this thing? Okay, outer. Okay, shell. Shell. Oh, what is that? That isn't even close. Come on. Got me so hype. Looks so easy. They're about to make me volunteer for 8 hours a day? How would they make you volunteer? How would they told you to like work 8 hours a day? See? Why does this one work? Yeah, dude, that's what voluntold is, yeah. They're about to make me volunteer, that's voluntolding. Wow, this isn't too good. Haven't even been listening to the music, wow. Let's just skip to the same one, yeah. Sorry about that. Yeah, I mean, like, I volunteer for a lot of things, but, like, not outside. Okay, what are they doing differently, guys? I don't get this. Yeah, it's easy HTML. Inner div. It's legit exactly what I'm doing. Why do they get to be centered and I don't? I'm so mad. So if I do like... I'm taking the bowling bar. Oof, Bowl America? Or some other weird place. Okay, this doesn't even work. That's great. It's hard because there's 40 of them. Boy, my class went bowling. It was like 20 people, and Bowl America was a mess. feels bad. Oof. Anyone hear that XXX Tentacion died? How sad. It's a big ol' rip. What even? What even? Come on, can nothing work today? Oh my god. I swear. Okay, what if we go just 50? Oh my goodness, it's kinda close. Guys, it's kinda close. I'm very happy. Granted, not going to be set on any other device, but you know what? It works on my computer. I'd say that's... let's go 70. Alright, let's see how bad this looks. Oof. That's a big ol' rip. What about on any other size? Okay, any other size it'll do okay, I guess. Okay, but anywhere past... anywhere below 800, I'm gonna not do that. Not media. CSS media. Yeah, dude, how are you gonna go how long is bowling for? And I thought you were just doing it for, like... what are you volunteering for? I thought it was just, like, karate or something. Or yeah, sorry, what are you working $5 an hour for, Kai? I'm gonna kill myself right now, honestly, Jesus. Basically, I'm just helping with a summer camp. Oof! For $5 an hour. But let's see. EA, how much do you make helping at a summer camp? You're not a camp counselor. What even are you, man? Are you like making 160 a week? That's not bad, but you should be making like how many hours a week, Kai? Or 160 divided by 5. 32 times 725. You should be making $232 a week, Kai. Not 160. You should be making 232. That'd be way more money. Could you just not do this, please? Okay, you know, honestly, for how much I want to die right now, this is good enough. What do you mean, no, I'm working Monday through Thursday? Dude, 32, right? And 725, $232. Dolores. Yeah, man, you're getting what? Let's see, 32 times 125. How much did you say you're making? 160 or something? Yeah, man, you should be making 1.45. Yeah, you should be making a lot more money then. How long you been at this? I've been at this for a whole hour and 4 minutes. Got even the main homepage done though. It's going pretty well. Bracketify 2, but I would be lit. You're a rising freshman, Kai. You're not even a freshman yet. You're just rising still. Just like I'm a rising sophomore. can't formally call yourself a freshman yet. Which thing is causing this damn scroll bar? Legit about to die. Then just tell him you're a rising freaking freshman. Saying you're a freshman isn't much better, honestly. Why does this have a scroll bar now? Are you kidding me? What is this? What is this? I swear. What is this? Okay. That sounds dumb. Yeah, well, you know what? Rising fresh. Sounds a lot better, man. Sounds a lot better than frickin' 8th grader. Because then everyone's gonna think you're going into the 10th grade, and then it's like, nah, I'm just still a wee little freshman. Okay, you know what? We're just gonna live with it, man. We're just gonna live with it. You know what? What if it's that? No, not that? Okay, fine. But yeah, I start work next week. It's gonna be pretty nice. Gonna be working with amazing company. Well, that's not their site. Oh well. Gonna be working with a pretty cool company with some pretty cool people. I need to get a Mongo. Oof. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. No. Ugh, gotta do so much more work just to get this register thing to work. Dang it. Oh well. What's causing this though? Oh. Look at that. Okay, you know, what if I just do freaking star overflow X hidden? Will that work better for you, man? Will that work better? What is this? It said overflow X. Not Y. It's definitely this bitch though. I'm calling it. You know what? We're just gonna have to live with that scroll bar. I say 5 people are watching, but there's only 2 participants. How weird. Okay, so yeah. Time to start a whole new project for the back end of Bracketify. I guess I had to do this at one point. Oh, not a new window. Oh, there's a new window. That's too many windows. Happy. I need to go like the NPM and what is this? What? No, don't open this. How to spoil a project. Golly. NPM init. Bracketify PI. Sure, looks good. Index. JSNC. Well. EBP? Yeah, look at that. How nice. NPM install express. And Kai, aren't you going to one of those really fancy schools? Those like super expecting kind of schools? Nope, that's not how you spell body parser. NPM. Oof, governor school though. That's rough, man. Feels bad. It's pretty expecting though. Don't you gotta get like all A's in every single class? Open up node. Mongo. Oh god. No, don't open this Atlas thing. No. My god. Alrighty, so this can go away. This can reopen. Brain aneurysm. Okay, now we're in. That's great. How do you even connect using it? I forget. Node. MongoDB. W Trace Schools. Gotta love them, man. They're the best site. Oof. Gotta hash and salt them still. That's rough. Wait, I got login button, I got navigation, I got create button. Bam, homepage done. Mongo logins in progress. Alright, well, I'm probably gonna go to sleep and wake up at like 1 AM. Why, man? Why? That's just dumb, man. But thanks for saying best of luck with Bracketify. You wanna play some GTA? Wow, look at you. What time though? What time? Well, shoot, I can't be up too late. I can't wake up early, but it's all good. Oh man, okay. Mongo create database. Whenever you're done. Well, I'm gonna go to sleep when I'm done. I think honestly, I have an early morning and a long day. Like, yeah, I get back at like 10 tomorrow. It's gonna be rough. Use. Fine, I see how. Yeah, you do. Bracketify. See, look how easy that was. Now. Bracketify. Let's make sure we're not. I gotta wake up at 6 as well. Probably actually 5:45. I don't know. It's a hard life. DB dot users dot insert username console password yote and email is Bob Smith b.smith@smith.co.uk.us.org.io. And there we have it. Show DBS. Alright, I will. Cool. So, now, Bracketify. Username is gonna be Bob's. Nope, it's gonna be. Shoot, why am I doing it in here? App.get. No. Get / register res. That's not exactly great. Oh, come on. What's not bad? Username is rec.username. Password is not that. Password, let password equal rec.password. Password equals password and email equals email. Okay, so now we need to do salting and hashing. How fun. I do have a thing for this somewhere. Don't know where though. Node.js SHA-256, because you know that's a lossy encryption type, so it's nice and safe. Relatively, at least. Don't quote me. Length, that's gonna be 128 iterations, 1300. Why not? Right, and we need to say with the salt. Salt is something, node crypto random string. Yeah, cool. Let salt equal this. 32 doesn't need to be terribly long. Let's do 16, honestly. Okay, let's see here. So now password equals salt plus password plus salt. Let's just make it extra salty. And now let's do password equals crypto dot create hash SHA-256 dot update password dot digest base 64. And now we're gonna say this is the salt and the password is password. Now let's console log salt console.log password. Not gonna be like Twitter where I save this though. Oof. Node mod index. Where's the thing I need to open? Is it the Postman? Why are you taking so long now, Posty? Okay. 30/register. Username. Password. Email. Okay, is it email lockdown? Alrighty, let's see if this works. What's the chance? Very slim because they didn't end it. That doesn't seem nearly secure enough, but you know what? You know what I say? I say it's good enough. Because here we need to say then res.json status complete. Let's see how long this takes. Please don't be terribly long. Okay. There it is. Ah, shoot. Hold up. Okay. Oh. Status complete. Look at that. So now, this password should hopefully be different each time. I'm sure it is. I'm just gonna trust that it is. Longo list database items. I think it's just show and then show collections. Okay, yeah. Show collections. Show users. Ah, shoot. Users. Close out a few. db.users.find. Look at that. How cool is that? I must say, I am magic. Wait, was that the only thing that's null? Is rec.username? Really? Console.log username password rec.email. Did I at least send password? Yeah. Okay, and they're all undefined. That's one of a kind. Rec.cre. There we go. That's better. Alright. Yay. And user is still null. Because I didn't change it here, because I'm silly little goose. That's better. Nice. Now, Mongo clear collection. db.users.remove all of them. Okay, that didn't do jack. Oops. There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. So yay! Now we can make the register function work. It's gonna be so hype. But first, see here. Yeah, okay, cool. So it's in assets. We create a new file called config.js. Now we're gonna say var stuffs var config equals this. Now config.urls dot local equals dot current equals host. That way I can do stuff. Now if I go to login.ts, and now I make a function called register user, which you do these things fancily, I forget how. Okay, it's not too fancy after all. But it does take parameters, so how do you do that? Okay, you just do a value. Really? You just string? Okay. So now then, let user info equal JSON dot parse string value. Sorry. Nothing. User console dot log user info, and we'll see if this works. I'm gonna move this over here. Finna go here. Oh wait, we gotta make this go shoot. Angular get value of Angular 4. Let's go use NG models, I guess. Log in. .html. New email. New username. And new password. Click equals register. Where'd my page go with it? Okay. Be that way. Really? Hold on, I did it in here, I think. Right? Yeah, I did. So if I go to watch.ts and HTML. I had a nope, it's videos. Don't know why I called it that. It's in a SVID. Oh, okay. So it's right the first time. I knew it. Click. Register user. Username. New email dot value. Password. New username. Value. Why did I call it that? Ugh. Password. New password value. That might be good. No, really? Really? You got kid. Oh wait, no, it's not hashtag. It's just new email dot value. Oh my goodness, may it work. I don't think it worked. Yeah, I don't think it did. Oh, wait a minute, it might have. I might have just console.logged it into here. Who knows? Test, test, test. Oh. Just do the raw though. Value. Oh, hey, look at that. It's already an object. That's great. Did I not put in the dang email address? No, I did. What you doing, man? Or did I not send it? Oh, oops. Email, new email. There we have it. Cool. Solid. Alright, now we're gonna do a fancy HTTP GET request. What we're gonna do by doing this. Register new user. Value string. I'll just import HTTP, will ya? How did you get HTTP in here, boy? Oh. HTTP. Oh, right, I'm dumb. And if we do register, don't really want to show that. Res is, shoot, I can hardly think. We gotta do it like that. Art thou joking me? Then it can't even find it? Really? Why? Hey, got him. Yes, sir. Oh my god, I'm gonna value equals value dot JSON dot stringify value just so we can do value JSON dot parse value. Oh my goodness. Is that JSON? Something? Man, I don't know. Hey, sure. Oh my goodness. Because you should just be able to do value to turn the username. You have to do it like this. Username. Yes. And password equals plus value. Password plus and email equals plus 5 email. Register user. Let's see what happens. What's the chance that it works? Very slim. Oh shoot, wait, I tried to close. What? Oh wait, no, this isn't the right thing. Is that just now? No. Oops, cause I gotta go 40-40. That's why. I got you, man. Okay, let's just close out this one. I can do okay. Test. Why? Oh wait. Shoot. I think it's just course. Let's not do that. Where did it go? Yeah. What line is that on? 12? Ugh. I think it might just be course, honestly. Nope. Okay. File. Preferences. User snippets. JavaScript, I guess. Did I not save it? Ugh. Node.js, of course. Should be very simple. I always overthink it. Subject, just of course. Okay. Oh, wrong place. This place is the place I want. App.use. Of course. Test. What? Did I crash it? What do you mean? Do you have to npm install? Yeah, npm install, of course. Let's save. Hype train activated. Yeet. So now I have to send them to a success page. So let's see here. Let me first of all, I need to make sure that it actually went through. So let's just take this one step at a time. Let ret equal that. So now if ret dot success equals true. Right, success. That is what I'm saying, right? Complete. Alert, or registered. Alert. Registered. Boom, boys. Hype train activated. Okay, let's make that a bit fancier, and I think after an hour, it'll probably be about an hour and 50 minutes by then. I'll probably cut off the stream for the night, because yeah, we made a lot of progress. Let's check up on the trailer real quick. Mongo logins slash registers. Login register. So register, I'm almost done with. Oh right, gotta send register, send confirmation. Okay, so I'm almost done with just the registering bit. Just gotta pretty it up a bit. Which I think I will do by saying status equals whatever, and then status MSG equals whatever, and now we will say status equals true. This dot status equals true. Why can't I set that? Oops. And this dot status message equals actually done. Status message equals successfully registered. Okay, so now in here need to register if. So let's see how you do that. Angular register if. Oop, not register, show if. Alright, just use ng show. So let's see, let's search up for a bootstrap well. Or alert, sorry. Yeah, alerts are fancy enough. Alert success. That'll be let's do it just in general, I'd say. Let's make sure it looks half decent. Can't even see it. Why is that? There you go. Finally catching the bud. So it doesn't work right there, really? Oh my goodness. Okay, so if I put it into here, how will that work? Ah, dude, that'd actually be a great spot. No kidding. Okay, so let's see here. Let me open up the CSS real quick though. And just say dot alert padding px. Why is it? P. Oh, because that's the home. Oops. I'll be in the log. I thought something didn't look right there. Font size Let's drop down to 15 with a 5 pixel padding. Nice. Angular 4-inch. Oh. The status does not equal done. Test. Oh my goodness. Look at that sexy beast. Dude, that works so well. Oh my goodness. Oof. Solid. You know, Coco, I think it might come, honestly, just a few minutes too late. I've been shooting for an hour and 47 minutes. Finished up registering-ish. Got 33, halfway there. But I think we've got a lot of stuff done tonight. Yeah, I'll add the checkmark tomorrow. I'll just add that to your login checkmark. Login. Oops. Yeah, we've gotten quite far. We have the entire backend with hashing and encryption, so it can't be cracked. That's always good. We got salting. Yeah, okay, so that is all done. I think I might wrap up the stream for tonight after 2 hours. Just for a quick review. We got the index page. Here, let me show it. So, for a quick review, we got the index page done. When you hit register/login, it'll bring you to this page where you can enter in whatever. Gotta add register protection tomorrow. Register confirm filled inputs. But for tonight, just got the basics done. But I am kind of tired. Kind of just want to chill for a bit. But yeah, so tomorrow what we will do is we're going to finish up register, and then we're going to add login. And then let's see here. We'll probably start working on the create bracket page, which isn't the actual bracket page just yet. It'll just be, I can show you it because I see I have it all designed. So tomorrow we're going to finish up the login page, and then we're going to add this page and be able to create the bracket to hopefully be able to go. Well, tomorrow will be a very late night if I do stream, so it might just be this login portion. But in the next 2 days, we'll be getting this and this done without this bit. So just ignore this bit for now. But yeah, we'll have all of this done. So that'll be cool. And we might even have a few more, but that's kind of a stretch for the next 2 days. So yeah, how's mobile look? We can just do a quick last minute check. It should look like we left it, honestly. It's not great. Yeah, I need to fix it, but that'll be for tomorrow. But hey, we got everything else working pretty flawlessly. So yeah, wow. You know what? Actually, I think I can do this bootstrap nav bar, because I should be able to fix it if I just add that silly little hamburger thing. Let's see here, collapsing navbar here. Okay. Well, is that it? Let's just fix it. I think Mo will look a lot better once it's refixed. Hamburger? Blah blah claps. Let's see. Okay, so this one has it. That's good. Okay. Goodness, which one was that? I think we can just say. So let's see. Let's try and compare this with our current navbar solution. With our claps navbar nav. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll say div class equals this, and then hopefully what we'll be able to do is put this right here. And if all goes well, should have a little. Okay, it's not there. Right. Where even is it? Oh wait, did I not add the button? I probably didn't add the button. Nope. Wait a minute. Where's the thing now? Talk icon maybe? Probably this button, I'd imagine. What? No way. No, it's not working. Okay, well, you know what? We got closer. I'm happy. We got a lot done tonight, not gonna lie. A lot more than I expected to. But yeah, tomorrow, hopefully, we'll just complete logins and registers, and then Wednesday, we'll get the create bracket page and the watch page done, hopefully. And yeah, and then we'll be on our steady stream schedules of probably, hopefully, every day, 4 p.m. starting Wednesday, probably 4 to 6, and then 8 to 12, I'd imagine, somewhere around there. Whoops. But yeah, it should be good. The stream schedule will get a lot more fixed in a few days on Wednesday. So yeah, make sure to share, like the video, do all that sort of stuff. I really want to get this thing to be pretty big by the end. But yeah, I think I'm going to end off the stream. Thank you all so very much for watching. This has been Kento from the Realm of the Geek, and I'll see y'all hopefully tomorrow. Thanks for watching.